Hi everyone, check out the Belwares Mixing Bowls with Lids set, a versatile 3-piece stainless steel collection perfect for cooking, baking, and food prep. This set includes 3 bowls in sizes 1.5, 3, and 4 quarts, each with airtight, freezer-safe red lids to keep your food fresh. The non-slip bottoms and convenient handles provide stability and mess-free mixing, while built-in graters make slicing and shredding easy. Inside measurement marks help you prepare recipes accurately and efficiently. These bowls nest neatly for compact storage and are dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup, excluding the lids. Plus, they are made without BPA, PVC, lead, or phthalate, ensuring safe and healthy food prep every time. Upgrade your kitchen with this all-in-one mixing bowl set designed to simplify your cooking experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.